Hi, myself Dr. M. Saranya, Assistant Professor of BBA Department. Now I am going to present a topic on capacity to contract. The primary element of a valid partnership contract is the capability or eligibility of a partners to form a business agreement. The capacity to contract here means the legal ability of an individual or an entity to enter into a partnership. According to business law, the partners must be competent and fulfill the specific criteria before signing a contract. Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1972 details the capacity in contract law. It defines the ability to form contract based on three aspects. They are as follows. First one is attaining specified age, being of sound mind. Next one is not be qualified from entering into a contract on the basis of any law he is subjected to. Apart from contractual capacity, partnership contract must also include the following: offer, consideration, intent, legality, acceptance. Next, we are going to see about detailed explanation of capacity to contract in business. First one is attaining the age of 18. A minor does not hold the capacity of holding contract in business. Any agreement made with a minor in business is void ab initio, which means from the beginning, if any person aged below 18 years enter into a contract, he cannot ratify the agreement even when he turns 18. This means that an invalid agreement can never be ratified. Minor being a beneficiary in a contract, even though a minor is prohibited from entering a contract, he can register himself as a beneficiary of an agreement. Section 30 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 mentions that a minor cannot participate as a partner in a business, but he can enjoy the benefits earned by the firm. Next, as a minor always enjoy the benefits of being a minor. A minor gets to enjoy some extra benefits in business. These contractual benefits need to be explained in terms of the capacity to contract with example. For instance, if a minor pretend to be a major and enters into a contract, he can later plead the minority through some simple formalities. The rules of estoppel is not applicable to a minor. Insolvency. According to business law, a minor cannot be declared insolvent at any point in time. Even if the minor owes some dues to the firm, he will not be held personally liable for it. Next one is an individual has to be of sound mind. Section 12 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 necessitate a person to be of sound mind, have a complete understanding of the contract terms and conditions, and hold the ability to judge its impact on his interest. Here, the capacity of parties to the contract also applies to an individual who is usually of unsound mind and occasionally in sound mind. However, in this case, a contract has to be signed when he is a state of complete soundness. A contract made by an individual of unsound mind shall be considered as null and void according to capacity law definition. A person under the influence of any sort of intoxication is considered incapable of entering into a contract. Such individual can make a contract only when they are sober and have a complete understanding of the contractual terms. Next one is people disqualified under law. Other than minors and people of unsound mind, some individual might be restricted from entering into any contract as well. Such individuals do not hold the capacity to contract under valid business law. Disqualifications under contractual laws could include reason related to politics, legal status, etc. This could also happen when a person is a foreigner, national enemy, or conflict, or insolvent. Alien enemies, people who are having citizenship in countries who don't have cordial relationship with India or in war situations are called alien enemies. People signing the contract during a war situation is not encouraged, and a contract during a peace situation is a valid. And also married women, patrician woman, state ambassador, conflict serving sentence, patent officer, legal professionals, these people are also not allowed to entering into a contract. Thank you.